If you are using a line card which is only having, only support in NXOS mode, right? That means it has only NFE, right? That means it is a merchant line card, right? So in the merchant line card, it supports 12 MB shared memory, right? That means that your ingress traffic and your egress traffic will be used 12 MB shared, buffer size. But if you are using a ACI enabled line card, right? So ACI enabled line card, it has what it has. It support both NXOS and ACI, right? So for NXOS, it has 10 MB NLE, right, for ingress, 12 MB for egress, right, and 10 MB of to ALE leaf engine, right? So it has shared 10 MB ingress buffer for fabric bound module. It has 20 MB egress for coming, traffic coming from fabric and going to, and 10 MB egress buffer for local NFE traffic. So if this is a ACI enabled line card, so if you are using a line card which only support NXOS, that means merchant line card, that means you have a total 12 MB shared memory, right? But if you are using a ACI enabled line card which supports NXOS and ACI both, right? So it has, and for ingress it has 10 MB, for egress it has 20 MB, and for local traffic, that means your source and destination are on same line card, right? So it will have local NFE traffic 10 MB, right? Or it also has 1.4 MB extra buffer size. It also contains, to support more traffic. Let's talk about how the buffer boost function works. So there is a feature, we call as a buffer boost function. So buffer boost function is introduced to allow line cards with ALE to leverage the additional buffer on ALE for NFE local traffic, right? So this is your buffer boost, 10 MB buffer. This is your buffer boost. So you have so suppose you have a ACI enabled line card, you will have 10 MB of ingress and 20 of egress, but for local traffic you have a 10 MB of local buffer boost, so that your traffic don't, suppose your source and destination are connected on a same line card, so why it will go to the back plane, right? So and if the source is sending lots of traffic, so your line card should have local buffer also, so that it should store the local traffic and it should forward on the another port, right? So we provided 10 MB of local buffer here. So this is a buffer boost function, right? When a buffer boost function is enabled on a port, you have to enable it on a port, right? It's by default disabled. So buffer boost port is disabled on a port, you have to enable it. When a buffer boost function is enabled on a port, NFE local traffic to this port is sent to ALE for additional buffer space, right? And when buffer boost is disabled on the port, the NFE local traffic on this port remain on its local NFE, right? So this is only when you are having a what we say ACI enabled line card. So if suppose you are not enabling your buffer boost, that means your local traffic will use only 10 MB buffer, right? Which is stored in which is used in NFE, right? But if you are using your buffer boost function, then your local traffic will use ALE chip, and on the ALE chip it has 10 MB additional buffer, and it will take that buffer and utilize it, and then it will send the traffic. Your line card is a ACI enabled line card. That means you are using ALE chip and NXOS, right? For the NXOS you have NFE. So your each line card will have two type of chip. One have ALE and another has NFE, right? So buffer boost, when you disable buffer boost, it has a 10 MB memory, right? So your traffic will be using this NFE chip, and it will use the 10 MB of NFE chip. Traffic will using the additional 10 MB which is there in the NLE chip. It will use that and it will flow here. So there is a difference between if you are using a line card which only supports NXOS mode, that means it will use NFE chip, right? And it has 12 MB of buffer. But if you are using a ACI enabled line card, that means it can support both NXOS mode and the ACI mode. So for the ACI mode, it has a ALE chip, and for NXOS mode, it has a NFE chip. And if you disable the buffer boost, it will use the NFE chip memory space of which is of 10 MB, and if you enable the buffer boost, it will use ALE chip of the memory 10 MB buffer space.